How I would make my first $100 online using AI in 2026. What if I had to start over today? No audience, no followers, no money, just a laptop, an internet connection, and AI. Here's exactly how I would try to make my first $100 online in 2026. Most people think making money with AI is about finding the perfect tool. It's not. Businesses don't pay for AI, they pay for results, they pay for more customers, more sales, more views, and more time. That's why the first step isn't choosing an AI tool. The first step is finding people who already have a problem. I would start by looking for small creators and small businesses. People who post content regularly but struggle with things like titles, captions, thumbnails, emails, or content ideas. These are problems AI can help solve quickly. Instead of asking for money right away, I would create a free sample, maybe a better YouTube title, a stronger social media caption, or a thumbnail idea that gets more clicks. The goal is simple: show value before asking for anything. Once I have a sample, I would send a short message explaining how my idea could help them. Most people won't reply, that's normal, but some will, and that's all you need. One opportunity, one conversation, one client. When I get that first client, my focus wouldn't be finding another one immediately. My focus would be getting the best possible result, because one happy client can lead to repeat work and referrals. This is where most beginners make a mistake. They spend weeks learning new tools but never use them to help anyone. Knowledge is important, but action is what creates income. The biggest opportunity with AI isn't using the latest tool. It's using AI to solve real problems for real people. If I had to start from zero today, this is the exact strategy I would follow. Find a problem. Use AI to create a solution, show value, take action, and repeat the process. That's how I would work toward my first $100 online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tips and online business ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.